Start off by tracing your hand on white paper using a pencil. Spread your fingers out, and when you're tracing, stay close to your fingers to make sure you get an accurate size of your hand. Next, you're going to create a series of lines. Start from the left. When you reach your hand, you curve over, and then after you have reached your hand on the other side, the other lines will be straight. Watch here. Straight, curve over, 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 straight. Remember, those lines where your hand is not, those lines have to be horizontally straight. Try not to go so quickly that they end up in a diagonal line. Straight, curve it over, straight. Straight, curve it over, straight. And you're going to continue to do this, but make sure that the lines are only straight when you're not on the hand. Any part of the line that's on the hand will show curved line. It's like if a string was draped over your hand laying on a paper. Try to use several different colors. The idea is that you want to fill up the entire paper, or at least a good portion of the paper, with lines. You want it to look full and colorful. You can use fat lines, skinny lines, it's your choice. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to write several words that you feel describe your personality, things that you want to portray. Right here you see I wrote the word strong, and I wrote it all in capital letters because I want to make sure that the word emphasizes, the letters emphasize the word. Use different colors to enhance your design. Think about what ideas you want to portray. And if you're doing this for a friend, make sure you use kind, nice words that you could describe your friendship. You can also vary the text of the words. Say, for instance, if you're writing the word beautiful, you could write in capital letters, or you could write in cursive and use a soft color. As you can see here, the contrast between the word strong, all in capital letters, and the word beautiful, it really shows a difference in color and in script. Try to use different words that will emphasize the meaning of your picture. After you're finished writing all of those words, what you can then do is you'll start to fill up the rest of the space with lines. You don't have to write a word in every space, but you at least want to write at least a few different words. Fill up the space wherever you'd like using your markers. Afterwards, you're going to take a black crayon after you've written all of your words and added all of your lines to fill everything up. And you're going to take this black crayon or a black color pencil, and you're going to start to shade around the hand so that it appears as though it's a shadow. You'll see here after I finish these lines. Remember, only curved lines on the hand. Color very lightly around the fingers with the black colored pencil. Or a black crayon. You'll see I used black crayon here. The idea is that you want it to look very soft, but just to create a sort of shadow. This makes it appear as though it's more three-dimensional. This is how you get between the combination of the curved lines and the curved words and the shadow around the hands. It really does emphasize the idea that it's a three-dimensional object. It makes it look more rounded. When you're finished, you can add a couple of last touches and you are done. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Try it out and let's see what you can do. Good job, everybody.